The Harmony Brook Watershed, we're living day by day. We're going down to the water's edge where we can splash and play. We're learning more about the land around us that we're living in.
There's a fox,
An owl, a butterfly,
And a frog jumping again. Ow! 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 Guess what?
What is it, Frog? What is it?
Ann said she's bringing special equipment to the Harmony Brook today because of the water cycle. Ain't that cool? A water cycle.
Oh,
Right here in Harmony Brook. We get a water cycle. Oh, what's a water cycle?
oh, that's an excellent question, and you have come right to the right place. I can figure that out from what I know. In fact, I know everything. Yes. So I can easily tell that a water cycle must be a kind of vehicle.
Ribbit. A what?
A vehicle! The things humans use to travel around in. For example, they have two-wheeled vehicles called bicycle and a motor-powered vehicle called a motorcycle.
Oh, yeah. I've heard of those.
So by logic, a water cycle must be a vehicle powered by water. Probably you fill it with water and that makes the wheels go around and around and around and you travel in it.
Cool. So where is this water cycle?
Well, it must be somewhere around here.
I want to ride the water cycle.
Oh, so do I. Fun times for all. Yeah.
Friends, what's with celebration?
Hi, Ann. You're just in time. Al and I were just talking about the water cycle.
Oh yeah, the water cycle is pretty cool.
Oh, yes, indeed. One of my favorite vehicles.
Can we take it out for a ride, Ann?
It sounds like a complicated system.
Friends. Wait, I think there might be some kind of misunderstanding here. A water cycle is a cool system, but it's not a vehicle.
What?
Yeah, it's much bigger than that.
A system that's bigger than a vehicle?
It's
Oh, you
true.
must be kidding.
Yes, the water cycle is a system that describes the movement of water above and below the whole surface of the earth.
Oh, so it's the water that goes traveling.
Exactly.
How?
Yeah, well, I'll tell you. But first things first, it's really important to understand that the amount of water we have stays the same all the time, but it changes into different forms.
That doesn't sound like a system. It sounds like some kind of magic.
Ribbit.
Well, it is amazing enough to be magic. So friends, here are the water cycle basics. When the water gets hot enough, it turns into steam and it travels up through the air. We call that evaporation. Then it joins up with dust in the sky to make the clouds we see. Did you know clouds are actually water vapor?
Whoa,
Yeah.
sweet.
Then guess what happens next?
What?
It changes form again. Up in the sky, that water vapor cools down, and then it changes back into liquid water. We call that condensation.
Oh.
And then, after it's cooled down, it falls.
Oh, yes, I've heard of that. And Anne, you really shouldn't call it falling. I believe the word you're looking for is precipitation.
Precipitation, indeed. Yes, thank you, Owl. So, friends, the water from the clouds falls to the earth as rain or ice or snow, but then that same cycle keeps happening over and over and over and over and over again.
Well, if the water cycle can't be a vehicle, at least it's a pretty cool system.
That it sure is, yes.
But Ann, you said you were bringing special equipment here because of the water cycle. Well, what did you mean?
Well, friends, what part of the water cycle are we in right now here at Harmony Brook?
Well, it feels like it's going to rain soon, doesn't it?
Oh, yes, indeed it does.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. So the water up in those clouds is about to fall. So I brought this. Time for some fabulous fun in the rain.
Hey!